Welcome to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set Arc Browser as your default PDF viewer on Windows 11. Whether you're tired of your current PDF viewer or just want to streamline your workflow by using Arc Browser, we've got you covered. Follow along as we make this quick and easy change to enhance your browsing and document viewing experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more handy tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button at the taskbar. Then, click on Settings gear icon. Alternatively, you can use Windows plus I key on the keyboard to open Settings app on your Windows 11 PC. Under Windows 11 Settings, select Apps on the left sidebar. On the right, click on Default Apps. Scroll down to find Arc and click on it. Under PDF section, click on the arrow button. Select Arc. Then click on Set Default button. That's it. From now onwards, whenever you will double-click on any PDF file, it will automatically open in Arc Browser on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. Bye. See you in the next video.